You want to get the LED to blink. And what you actually want is to get the LED to blink based on the program that you have put into the microbit. Lots to learn. You have wires, several kinds of wires. You have the extension board. You have to have an electrical current, pins. All right, let's start figuring this out. First things first, make sure you have the correct jumper wires to connect your LED to your extension board. Notice there's a VCC metal pin on the LED and an N pin. We need to connect the jumper wires correctly to our pins. I'm going to go ahead and connect the yellow jumper wire to VCC pin and the purple wire to the N pin. Now I need to figure out how to connect them and where to connect them to the extension board. Let's take a little look at this extension board. Notice there are lots of metal pins, lots of places for you to put the jumper wires. There's a nice blue row, there's a red row, and then there's the GND black row, and then there's all kinds of other pins kind of below those three main rows. If you take a close look, the blue row, the pin row, has pins 0 through pin 20. So they're numbered so we can tell the microbit exactly where we've put a jumper wire. They're programmable. The red row, or the VCC row, you can also put jumper wires and they'll provide some power. And then you have the GND, or the black row, and those are the ground. You've just done circuits, so you should understand the importance of ground in completing a circuit. So here I have the other end of my jumper wire, and I'm going to put it to either a pin, or the VCC, or the ground. And to do that, you just give it a little push, but it's very important that you understand why you're putting the wires where they're going. So here I have the purple one put to ground. And again, you could put the yellow one to VCC, or you could put it to pin, depending on what you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put the yellow jumper wire to pin 1. So that is VCC to pin 1. And then you'll notice I have the purple, or the N, wired to ground. So VCC to pin 1, N to ground. As a reminder, the microbit must fit properly into the extension board. Notice you must line it up, give it a little push, and the words are in the back. If the wires are correct and the microbit is programmed correctly, add your power source by plugging in, of course, the battery, or you could use the USB, but in this case, extension board has a nice battery, and the electrons start flowing.